He's running, he's hit. Okay, see this green bush?
Is he one running?
Okay, look to the left of the green bush.
Okay.
And he's down right there. See where that elk is?
Yeah.
He's below him and to the right. So, so straight right here, like the first green tree you see on the ground. Go to the right of it. There's a round, small green tree. I think you killed him and he's not moving.
I can't see.
Okay.
Oh, I see him.
You see him?
I only see antlers.
Okay, yep. Yep. You smoked him. 365 yards.
He's down, he's not moving.
Stay on him for a minute.
I had this much seconds to take the shot. He was going in between all these trees and I just let him.
Okay. Then they move to the right.
It's the one with the little weird notch in it.
Go ahead and poke him.
It's dead.
Well, put the bipod down.
I got him.
Go hold him up. Let's see.
He's only got 3 on 4 on it.
5 with a little nub started on the one.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5, almost 6. Velvet bull. Ooh. Let's see your shot.
Right there. Look,
that's his exit.
It was perfect.
Exit right out the shoulder.